Your struggle with consistency isn't a character flaw. It's biology. The human brain evolved for immediate survival, not long-term planning. For millions of years, our ancestors prioritized quick rewards and energy conservation. This ancient programming still runs today, making your brain prefer the couch over the gym and social media over studying. Modern life demands discipline, but your brain resists anything requiring effort without immediate payoff. This creates constant internal conflict. When you rely purely on willpower, you're fighting evolutionary programming, a battle you'll inevitably lose when fatigue sets in. The solution isn't trying harder. It's understanding what you're dealing with and working with your brain instead of against it. Most people view self-control as inner strength requiring constant reinforcement. The reality is more practical. Self-control is fragile and collapses in poorly designed spaces. Consider this scenario. You commit to morning workouts, but your clothes are buried in drawers, shoes are in the car, and it's cold outside. Meanwhile, your couch is 3 steps away and your phone is already in hand. The choice isn't between good and bad, it's between what's easy and what's laborious. This is choice architecture. Human behavior is shaped by what's closest, most accessible, and most visible. Research shows that simply repositioning water bottles to the front of a cafeteria increased water consumption without any campaigns or rules. The environment made the healthy choice simpler. Apply this to your life. Want to read more? Place the book on your pillow, not in a drawer. Fighting phone distractions. Turn off notifications and use blocking apps. Planning to exercise? Set your workout clothes beside your bed the night before. Disciplined people aren't stronger. They're smarter about designing their spaces. They create environments where good behavior requires less energy than bad behavior. Your brain already operates on automatic loops, brushing teeth, checking your phone when sitting down, making coffee upon entering the kitchen. These actions require no effort because they're hardwired. Habit stacking connects new desired behaviors to existing automatic ones. After brushing your teeth, meditate for 2 minutes. After making breakfast, write 1 journal page. After locking your door, state your daily intention. This works because you eliminate the biggest barrier, starting. Initiating action requires more mental energy than maintaining it. Once in motion, momentum takes over. For effective habit stacking, make the new action short, under 2 minutes initially. Make it clear. Read 1 page, not read more. Make it immediate, right after the trigger habit. These small stacks accumulate exponentially, transforming into solid routines that operate before doubt or laziness can intervene. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's a symptom of poor design. When you procrastinate, it's because acting requires too much effort, seems unappealing, or provides no immediate reward. The 4 laws of sustainable behavior change address this directly. Make it obvious. Visible cues trigger action. Study materials should be on your desk, not buried in bags. Make it attractive. Associate the habit with something enjoyable. Play favorite music while working or reward completion. Make it easy. Reduce friction ruthlessly. Start with 5 minutes instead of an hour. Use simple, achievable goals. Make it satisfying. Track progress visibly. Use apps, charts, or small rewards to create a sense of completion. Example, transformation. Instead of planning to study for an hour with materials hidden and TV on, create this. Materials open on a clear desk, favorite drink ready, 5-minute initial goal, progress marked on a board. Every time you avoid something, ask, is this obvious? Attractive? Easy? Satisfying? If any answer is no, you have a design problem, not a discipline problem. You don't need to love discipline to become disciplined. Productive people don't wake up excited about every task. They have structures ensuring right actions happen regardless of feeling. The difference between motivation and systems is clear. In the motivation realm, everything depends on mood and energy. In the systems realm, action is automatic and default. You don't rise to your goals, isn't force. You fall to your system's intelligent design. It's creating a path of least resistance for correct behavior. The choice is yours. Continue fighting your brain, or engineer a life where the right actions happen automatically. Build one small habit today. Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Let the votes accumulate toward your new identity. Discipline isn't the destination. It's simply what emerges when everything is properly aligned.